Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make steak kabobs in the oven. First, cut your steak into 1-inch cubes, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. Next, prepare your vegetables such as bell peppers and onions by chopping them into similar sizes. Marinate your steak for at least 30 minutes to infuse it with delicious flavor. Finally, thread your steak and vegetables onto skewers, alternating the ingredients. When assembling, use metal skewers or wooden ones that have been pre-soaked in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent burning. Arrange your steak and vegetables on the skewers, making sure they are snug but not overly packed. This allows for proper air circulation. Brush the assembled kabobs with a light coating of olive oil, then season them generously with salt, pepper, and your preferred blend of spices for maximum taste. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup and arrange your kabobs on top, ensuring they have a little space between them. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through to ensure even browning on all sides. For medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees. For a beautiful finish, broil your kabobs for 2 to 3 minutes, watching closely to achieve a slight char. Once cooked, remove them from the oven and let them rest for 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring tender and flavorful steak. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, then serve immediately with your favorite side dishes for a complete and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.